Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be ripping a pack of 91 Fleer True Wax Pack, looking for Jordans and Birds. Starting off with Olden Polynice, the 7-footer out of Haiti. And then we are on to Rick Mahorn. Then we've got Brian Shaw for the Celtics. Then it's big game James Worthy for the Lakers. We've got Mark Aguirre for the Pistons, very good player. Then Kevin Willis. And then it's Detlef Schrempf out of West Germany, it says on the back. That's interesting. Then we've got a 1991 All-Star Game card. This one's got some cameos of Magic, Jordan, David Robinson, Patrick Ewing. Nice card. Then we've got Eric Floyd. And then Reggie Lewis. Oh, R.I.P. Reggie. And then Danny Manning. Oh, all right. Jordan League leaders. We got a hit. Love that. And then Rolando Blackman. And to finish it off, Ramil Robinson. Thanks, guys.